শুয়োরের বাচ্চারা, আমি ভীষণভাবে সাবধান করেছি তোদের। তোরা আমাকে ডিস্টার্ব করিস না। তোরা জন্তু জানোয়ারের অসভ্য বেঙ্গলে বেঙ্গলে মাতাচ্চোদ শুয়োরের বাচ্চা ক্রিমিনাল। বেশি মস্তানি মারিস না আমার শরীরে মাটির নিচে উপরে চড়ার। তোদের মতন কুত্তে কুকুরের বাচ্চা এক এক করে সিস্টেমে যে যে আছো ম্যানেজার, you all take their name under compulsion. Who are riding just my body, Hercules body, world monarch, they fear, harbingers के शरीर में insert these evils. Who are, what is your identity from which you are murderer criminal evil? You murderer criminal evil surrounding my body. You are with extreme prudence to neglect my majesty. You are of which country? If you are Indian, if you are USA, Shia, but same Indian I be. Evil, Modi's leftist criminal, who are a global think tank, writes in a dialogue in any kind of investor in Mexico Gulf. You all evils, black sing, the worst blamed evil, Vidhan Chandra agriculture ki students evils criminal, anarchist mother chod. You all has to immediately disclose your, take out your faces, covered faces, evil covered, remove your evil faces. You removed immediately. You are all underneath. Disclose your all identity. You all evil, you muggy, you open vagina, naked boys, but your faces are evil manner covered, culprit criminal Indian. You are the same evil private army who killed during Sindoor war, taken both sides to instigate our Indian army, unprepared army, but to kill them from Pakistan border. You are where the Pahalgam attacker, you the Pathani group. Yes, Jai Shankar evil Kamala Harris, Joe Biden provided evil illegal immigrant to USA, Mexico Gulf. You leftist who pride Indian are more good than American. You are American hater. You have come to my Halishore Muktesar. You will remain attacker of Bangladesh. You are Sri Lanka attacker, Baluchistan attacker. You are Pakistan. You are natural disaster causer of all kinds. You are climate changers. You are evil. You Madachod. You Mlecha Kumar Bengali Baron, Hugli, Gagat, Arambag. This video is compulsion for all election commissioner or census register officer and this DM, SDM, SDPO, DPO, commissioner, chief minister, secretary to count immediate disclose of who's missing and how many surviving in India, particularly West Bengal, Bardwan district, Bankura, Hooghly, Bardhaman, Calcutta, South and North Chabis Pargana, Nadia, Birbhum, Dinajpur, Malda, Murshidabad, etc. all are Assam, Northeast and the rest Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, among the Santal tribes and that my Uttarakhand and the Ghatsila area, Odisha, particularly MP, where many people from Narmada River project have been kidnapped, trafficked, millions daily traffic. So I order this Anil Chauhan CD as you have now learned that India is totally backup without communications government. All has gone to the private evil Pathan, the Wattec, Star War evils too, who have captured the world telecommunication USA technology. Now USA is run by the bogus same kind of Modi and Donald Trump, equally stupid, criminal, evil, selfish, incompetent and anarchist satans, sons and daughters of witches, both in some same Indian culprit, irreligious criminal Satan, but totally claiming Hinduism or keeping me, suppressing my presence, incarnative Kalki avatar. They are taking Indian civilization, wisdom, that evil leftists, the American hater, but now the you all surrounding this times of 7:30 p.m. of Indian time of my, I'll show my pin code, area, all details about even my night. I have to go outside with some risk, but I have to collect some light and thoughts. Then I am going for final portion of this video to be completed. And you all will thus advise to disclose babies, children, aged, surrounding, riding on me, surrounding all. Remove your faces, you Indian, speak in Bengali, and you, I have mainly talked Bengali and Hindi than English, but you all mainly Bengali, illiterate, savage, criminal. You Mother Chod, you Mlecha Kumar Bengali leftist who are a global think tank or investor, even USA, you Google, Microsoft, Facebook, social media, and IS, IPS, everywhere, judicial system, foreign services, you only evil criminal. The government has become boomerang. Need of government is become boomerang. For you people present, you have made my face is covered face. It is artificially created with the places of so many evils surrounding. Underneath, I am Hercules body, furry body, that Indian mythology based am I body, but other is as it covered my evilness of their evil capture, some particular aged evil criminal. So this is a very, very, very scientific which describing video, the religious capacity, Sarvabhaumata, sovereignty, and world monarch. When I am mentioning world monarch, God agent, nobody on earth, don't challenge my order, any kind of father. You all present in this time underneath Bankura Hooghly border, pin code 7126 and 2, of which coordination nearer 22.78 degree, like north and east longitude 87.88 degree. So you all are even in that way trying to do wrong. Kishu, hello. আমি বলছি যে আমার ওই ফোনের ওই ফোনটা চার্জটা একটু ধরে দিবি, কোথায় আছে? আমি বাইরে আছি, বাইরে আছি। হ্যাঁ, বুঝতে পারছিস, আমি এই যে বাইরে আসছি, শোনা যাচ্ছে না? এবারে শোনা যাচ্ছে? ওই আমার ওই ফোনটাতে একটু চার্জ ভরে দে তো। আচ্ছা, ওইটা আউট অফ হয়ে গেছে, মানে ওটা ফোন কল রিসিভ হচ্ছে না। ঠিক আছে, ওইটা ঠিক আছে। So there is a thundering time and the sky, so If you see my uh, I am who is I am. Oh, it is becoming. So it is my is my all details. My all details. So I am this pin code areas. So I am that Sangha definition of Hindutva, Indian, Indiana, Hindi, Hindustan, Sindur, She Hindu, She Orko, everything I have mentioned. So I am a Ghoshana, I am a Tirtha, I am Raj, I am Dharma, I am Gyan, Big Gyan Ki, I am Ain Law, Samvidhan of Indian Constitution, I am of Holy Harish Constitution, Caretaker, India, the Harish Constitution, Om, Trinity, Gods, three heads country definer. So I am Bom Orkogura from Bankura district. So I am Harappa representant, Hari father, Hara when father, caretaker, Hari guardians, Ramji guardians, so Malla guardian time. In my Bankura district was a pinnacle of glory in Raj, Dharma, environment, providing political, religious rules. So reviving, I am same way that like Krishna, Ramji, Buddha, my top Aadhaar is this. Here I am Dr. Arendra, Indian Veterinary Research Institute. I am from Hara Shiva God, Malla God, which is Mulluk, is a Mulluk. My pin code is 712612 and my birthplace and Aadhaar card is from 722161160 Sihor. That is goddess Baladip God. It is ancient goddess Bala God. Then it is become Baladip Sri or Baladip or Balahat. Sri Hara Panchayat Sri Har. Then Kotalpur is Sirampur. Oldest Sirampur, Kotalpur, Vishnupur, that Sri Krishna and Bankura. So is my village on my goddess Kali ki place hai. Sri Krapil Muni Ashram, that Bala ki deep hai, Iceland. So I am the definition of Hindu. Moon, Hinduism, religious, political. Then I am the Arka, is that sun. The Arka Ana, then Manu Ana, शिव आना हरि आना जो लाइफ लीडिंग. सो आई एम प्रकृति भोगनेश के ऊपर वैराग जाप लाभ कराने के टीचर्स है योगी साधु मुनि देव सुरक्षण के. बट आई एम एंड दैट इज हेयर आई एम कल के अवतार एंड इट हैज बिकमिंग वेरी वार्निंग पीरियड. दे आर थंडरिंग ऑलमोस्ट ऑन मी. सो आई एम वेरी क्रूशियली अलर्ट for to avoid of their attack from underneath. They are selling on me. It is time 8:14 hours, so it is become. I do not know. They are telling Aniket may will not be able to attend me this night because they may give rain. So I have to show all those. I have any snake or anything. So Lord Ganesh Ji, Shiva Mandir temple, I will not show anything much. This area is a Bala Kali, Ma Tara, Uma, Sundaram. हमें ज़्यादा ना मेंशन करिए वो.